Welcome everyone. In today's hands-on sessions, we are going to dive into creating all the essential logic gates using DCS Control Builder app software. This tutorial will walk you through each of the gates, helping you understand their functionalities, how to implement them effectively in your projects. My name is Pratibha Lalsare. I am a project engineer at ITCS Global Nagpur. I am excited to guide you through these sessions, which is specifically designed to give you practical, real-world skill with logic gates. Whether you are just getting started or looking sharp your knowledge, the sessions will be very informative and useful. Let's get started, and we'll show you the steps to create AND or NOT, NAND, XOR, XNOR gates using DCS Control Builder app software. These sessions will cover all the logic gates step by step. Let's jump into the world of logic gates. Before we jump into creating the logic gates, let's first understand what DCS or distributed control system is and why it's crucial in industrial automation. A DCS is a computerized control system designed to control and monitor complex industrial process. It is an essential tool used across many industries for automating operation and ensuring smooth, efficient process. Some of the industries where DCS is widely applied include manufacturing, power generation, water treatment. Now let's take a quick look at the key features of DCS. Advanced process automation, centralized monitoring and control, integrations with multiple systems. Let's quickly go over the key advantages of DCS in industrial automation. Enhanced process control. DCS optimizes operations with precision. Real-time monitoring provides instant tracking of data and process. Improve reliability, reduce downtime and error. Data management and analysis helps with informed decisions making by managing and analyzing data. System integrations connects multiple industries components. Safety and security ensures protections of process and equipment. These advantages make DCS virtual tools for industrial efficiency and safety. A well-implemented DCS offers several additional benefits: improve maintenance, simplifies troubleshooting and diagnostics, making maintenance easier. Flexibility and scalability, can easily adopt to new technologies and expand as needed. Reduce risks of failures, ensures continuous smooth operations with a minimal downtime. These benefits make a properly implemented DCS even more valuable in maintaining efficient long-term industrial process. Are widely used across various industries. Some key sectors included mining for efficient management of mining operation, transportation and processing to control monitor transportation system and processing plant, chemical manufacturing ensures safe and optimized chemical productions, water and wastewater treatment manage water purification and treatment process, electric power generation controls power plant operation to ensure continuous energy supply, agriculture, food processing, automobile manufacturing. DCS plays a critical role in automating and optimizing process in all these industries. Now what we are covered some basic of DCS. Let's outline what we will be learning today. How to create all logic gates in DCS Control Builder app software. Second, what is DCS? A quick review of the distributed control system and its purpose in automation. Next, why is a DCS system needed? We will discuss the importance of DCS in industrial process. Next, benefits of DCS. The key advantages that makes DCS an essential tool for industries. Application of DCS. Finally, we are look at how DCS is applied in various sectors from power generation to food processing. By the end of the sessions, we will have a clear understanding of DCS, its benefits, and how to implement logic gates using Control Builder app software. Today we are discussing about how to create all logic gate in DCS. Software is control builder FUs, advanced control system available for process automation. PLC is generally suitable for machine automation and for process automation, यानी कि PAC, Programmable Automation Control, or DCS are preferred. Software is used for control builder F. It is used for programming and development of SCADA. So let's start how to create all logic gate in DCS software control builder F. Model is ABB model AC800F. Then go to project. Then take new window. Give the name. Main 2. Then save. Give project name. Then OK. Click on OK. Select configuration. Right click on a project file name. Insert next level. Object select window. Select configuration file. Then OK. Again right click on configuration file. Then again right click on configuration file. Insert next level. Select process station D-PS. Then OK. Then right click on user task file. Then next click insert next level. Then select task. Then OK. Then right click on user task file. Insert next level. Then select program list PL. Then OK. Right click on PL file. Insert next level and select programming language FBD. Then OK. Give file name. Then OK. Insert to create in this file to program and all logic gate. Select FBD element. Variable read is input and variable write is output. Take two input. First of all create all AND gate. Go to block standard logic AND. Take one output. Draw line. Give label. Input 1. Data type is Boolean. Input 2. Data type is Boolean. Also give the output name OP1. Take two input. Go to block, select standard logic OR gate. Draw line. Give the label. Input 1. Input 2. output 2. Also create NOT gate, take one input and one output. Input 3, output 3. After creating the program, always check no error is found, then save file, then close. In hardware configuration, go to system, then select hardware structure. Hardware structure under the process station icon, right click, insert, then select emulator, control emulator. Right click on emulator blocks, resource allocation, select project name file, main, then OK. Go to hardware structure, check all, no error found, then save, close window. Again go to hardware structure, select network, select emulator, then edit and change IP address 127.0.0.1, then again OK. Okay. Again check all, save, close. Minimize Control Builder F. Open Internet Explorer. In search bar, type http://localhost:8888. Then start controller. Again minimize it and open Control Builder F. Back, also back, check, save, close. Again right click on configuration file, check, save, close. To project and then commission. Emulator is running condition. Then right click on, then load, change whole station. Yes. Wait for response, version error is running. Right click on version, then select load, click on whole station, then S. and double click on FBD file. Then click on input. This is a false condition. Right click on write value. Then false is a off condition and true is a on condition. Then so 0 is off condition, 1 is a true condition. 1 on. Input 1 is on. Then again input 2 is on. Output and get output on. Then input 2 off. OR gate output 2 is also on. Then NOT gate input 3 is false, then output 3 is also true. Input 3 on, output off. In offline, click on corner symbol pencil. This is the edit mode. In this way, all logic gates create in DCS software. Thank you.